girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl.
This one, that instrumental, that look up, turn. What's up YouTube, it's about Tyrekevlogs and I am back with another reaction. Wait, what's up YouTube, it's the reaction boss straight out of Jamaica and we are back with another Vybz Kartel reaction phone. You see me I say? No, don't make the Chinese looking at them, we just wake up in the morning. Anyways, Vybz Kartel, our girl, official audio, I want to hear about. You see me I say? Go so I'm going for the video, people. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting on my videos. If you see a name, big up yourself, comment on this video to see a name in the next video. Like the video. Because if we can get 100 likes on that video, you see me I say? Because so I'm going for Vybz Kartel. Our girl right now. You see me I say? Based on the title, I know what I'm going now. For me, I'm a name girl. You see me I say? Or what? I'm going to talk about the girl. You know what? Because so I'm going for the video, man. Got you.
Yo, Derby,
Yeah.
Bond Street. Every hot girl of your call with Birmingham, Manchester, London, Bristol.
Hold on, see a big up girl from Birmingham, a big up girl from Manchester, a big up girl from basically a big up girl from England, na dog. You see me I say? But you say every girl, what I mean I say about the girl them a while ago. Hold on.
Every hot girl of your call with
No!
Birmingham, Manchester, London.
I mean them a call Adi. You never hear about Tyrekevlogs. You never hear about reaction boss Adi. I mean the girls them a call. Anyway, got you.
Bristol. Hey boy, you feel mind your wanna business. Me ya fuck the girl, don't shut you too wicked where you run.
Yeah,
your phone
you know them man they were there when you know what? Yeah, look, you go over and you go program a be in a community, right? Yeah, this one youth out of road. So him, you should want him one, not the girl now. Him I go tell him friend, say, yo, I did not that girl, you know, or a Tyrek not that girl, you know. Man, they want a business, bro. Man, now if you don't say me and I keep brother, I come in the community, come mash up a girl, level and cut, dog. You have to mind they want a business that man basically say, brother. You know, you know, you do me? You do me? I said, no informer thing, yo, girl forget, body. You see me? I got you though, we don't talk. We don't talk already, no. We don't talk already. Got you.
Wrong digit. You a call the man, me call a cab. She's in it and a street at a hotel, forget the force like physics.
Wow, voila, real lyrics. When you hear lyrics a while ago, man say go straight to hotel, forget the force like physics. You think how, hold on. Man, say people now get this, you know. I'll do physics in high school. Get the force. Let's see if I can explain that one too. No, understand what I mean, right? Bright people alone now. You say those people can't to cartel sometimes. Those people them can't sometimes sing them in the car and go understand it, you know you. Man say my career got hotel she get the force like a physics. More say which review boss. We trying to review goddamn I go talk to me about that part there. But we're not doing it. Energetic reaction only do people. Only energetic reviews going over here. So you see me I say I'm gonna like review, I'm like react to music with this. But go through though.
What? I know your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your girl.
Hold on, that tough. That chorus they tough. Well, go back when I say about water for that and go back a little bit. Ready?
Girl, she a our girl, gas and no ramp.
Yeah.
I know your girl, she a our girl.
Yeah.
Stop watch the girl like criminal.
Yeah. Bumbuckle belt, man. Yeah, I mean, the one you could do it in the community, right? You're going to come to go at the girl. It happened to me right there, that's why. And I hear girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal youth. I want to them money, man. Watch your pums, man, them youth. Ready, run tune.
Girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl.
This one, that instrumental, that look up, turn. The rhythm, it sound like go shawty, it's your birthday. It sound like that instrumental, and that's what I'm trying to say. It sound like that one there. It sound like me hear that instrumental somewhere already up on a different song, brother. Or I don't know, but the turn, which one? I don't know why the mama dog and me go through.
I like criminal. I know you heard, girl.
Come in, man.
Oh, a girl, stop watch the girl like criminal. In a Mercedes, Lisa, put up on a pillar, make the fuck more.
Well, in a Mercedes, what? Why hear the lyrics in them? No man, not no miss me, the youth. Ready now?
It's in the teacher, in a Mercedes, Lisa, put up on a pillar, make
in a Mercedes easier. I don't know, I hear people. Tell me in the comment section what I'm just saying, like, I not hear that one. That part there slip me that in a Mercedes, it's easier. That's up. Or in a Mercedes with Lisa. What him say, dog? What him say?
invest in the teacher. Barita, get the guineas and the peanut, get the oats.
Yeah?
Smile for my baby mother.
Strong back, get the guineas. Well, I'm more here. Why am I putting that mix up here for the girls? Them no. ready.
Tina, put a smile for the fuck more teacher, invest in the teacher. Barita, get the guineas and the peanut, get the oats. Tina, put a smile for my baby mother.
Peanut, get the oats. Man, I'm gonna make some strong back. Listen me, I say. Who sang no remember just touch no go again. You remember the other dog? Oh my god dog. Only song me I think about a style of G just touch them. But I touch them me I talk about Vybz Kartel. I remember the lyrics to that song, that joke thing dog. Buckle it. Remember it here, man, ready?
Fiesta Nisha, anyway she see me, she a ball out teacher. World boss, Palmer Adija. I'm the girl, they my feature. I know your girl, she a
world boss, Palmer Adija. So anyway, she see me. Well, I'm more your list, because I miss nothing today. You know, the song come on from last night. So if you want to listen to the song, when you don't know, so I go listen to this song. You come here for real, I can read my energetic thing and do my thing. You did me, I say? So I'm so I go and write about now. What I'm saying now?
I'm the girl, they my feature. I know your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl.
Man.
Anyway, she see me, she a ball out teacher. World boss, Palmer Adija. I'm the girl, they my feature. I know your girl,
she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. We're not full to the chorus again, because we don't know the chorus already. You see me, I say? Ready now?
She a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your watch it boom.
Alright. I hope this video is not extra long, because I do a video last night, yo. I'm reacting to some comedy skit. That's some comedy skit. Like someone intimidate Vybz Kartel and someone intimidate Movado and Buju Banta and people. When I post a video there today, I post it tomorrow. I post it today and the two upload today. You know. But that video is funny. I want to watch a video when I drop it, people. Please, don't watch that video when I drop it. It's hilarious, dog. It's that. Brother, it's funny. But if you still watch the video to the part, yeah, I want to comment. Don't know things like that now. I'm just at work, you know. I'm like, so no comment on that. So I'm like it on that. So I want to comment. Let me see. I want to comment. Just comment Gaza in the comment section. Not hard. Gaza. Alright, ready now. Run through.
The girl like criminal. Watch it satellite, watch it nail do.
Yeah.
Stop, watch it boom boom, watch a movie. Your girl give your boom, you don't notice.
Man, if you watch it satellite, watch it, stop, watch it boom boom, yeah. You go watch some TV, you. Watch it boom, man, them dog. Like, I still talk about it in the community, you know, dog. Look over them, each up on the dog. Look over at zinc fence, the dog. Watch out. Cause I watch it, like he works to the dog. Over at zinc fence. Poor teacher, I do him thing over there, so the dog. Yeah, mommy, see him, man. Stop watching girl, them brother. What I'm doing, no? Man, ready?
You don't notice when you find out you are. She give your dream to remember. Otis, double shot, red rum, reverse. Do up this, she got the fortress.
Hold on. You spit too much lyrics. Sometimes I can't even hear what you're saying. You're too bad. You have to calm it down a little bit. Calm. You listen to your correct lyrics. Them ready? You know why you want officer bad? You want her too bad. Alright? We know why you capture the world girl them from Jamaica. You're too bad. Alright? Slow it down. Alright, ready now.
She give your dream to remember. Otis, double shot, red rum, reverse, dopest. She got the fortress, you got the coolness. Remember if you look bad girl at your own risk. I know
you would have to look bad girl at your own risk. And that alone make you shut out a while ago, you. Yo, people want to think of the song, one thing you teach at the point, I think that's song you shot, I think that's song you chop off the road, and it just drop. I'm gonna use it. Because them love sleep on the cartel song, Kartel drop him song them, you know. That me I tell you know about. Maybe it's a trend already, we don't know. But anyway, one thing on the song in the comment section down below. And I hear a girl, she a a girl, stop watch the girl like criminal. It bad. With the instrumental too. What the instrumental name that? But soul power that. Ready? Ready?
girl, she a girl, stop watch the girl like criminal. I know you heard girl, she a girl, stop watch the girl like criminal. I know you.
Yeah man, the chorus too long, I don't want to get copyright.
Stop watch the girl criminal. I know you heard girl,
man.
she a girl.
Copyright, I want to get copyright, dog. Your chorus too long. Song bad, but I don't want to get copyright, dog. I don't want YouTube take down my channel, dog. Can't do this, dog. Song bad, the chorus bad in the dog, but no. Me don't really forget copyrighted. Me don't really try to get black. Ready now? What's what I go first song, you know?
Stop watch the girl like criminal. No, I know you heard girl, she a girl. Stop watch the girl like
drop
criminal.
Back here, man.
I know you heard girl, she a girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal.
Song done. Alright now, like the video now, subscribe now, and touch the bell and comment. Gaza, make me say you watch the video.
One official HD me there, HD Image TV again. You know, one image boss on the gram, don't get rank because we are no more. So boss anymore. What's it now? Just drive in.
Don't know the chop, you know. Don't know braces from with teeth and them thing there now. Bring it, you know, the shit, chop alive. Bad side, dark
I knew the
side.
pranks. I knew the pranks, dog.
You know, we do all pranks.
Yeah, I can't punk the pranks at this, brother.
Yeah, we are all.
Prank the freestylist, this dog.
Yes, Zeme. Yes, Zeme.
Punk like a soldier,
Zay.
we are ranked. You hear that? 100 round, could never be a clown.
Don't know.
One image boss on the gram.
Don't know punk, the prankster.
1 HD. Damn. Them gyal a pre-way.
Yeah.
HD make them know, yeah. Man a gal is me, them girl a analyze like the encyclopedia. She a watch me like the media, me she a feature. So she come over and start for call me Adija. But me say, man a gal is me, them girl a analyze like the encyclopedia. She a watch me like the media, me she a feature. So she come over and start for call me Adija.
Load that books and tell Brian to sell the iPhone X. If you buy around, knows you have to hear the effects. Me walk up and squeeze, no miss no objects. You walk down, you dead, my shots too complex. And now to my black, you don't pay respect. HD have the Glock, my got the Celtic. Me run up and spray the place wet. Run up and spray the place wet.
Panga the AK, my chest black but my skin tone out. Gyal I see the HD boss and I zone out. Bleach out white, watch a telescope pipe, a telescope 5 net. Bossing head team, genuine down, never par with a gay guy. Get a gal, makes you feel the iron time. DJ, when we roll up, clip, load up, left hole in and go head like donut. So me tell them next time, I now want them, I now can't them. Thematic, we a charge them, we in a rain, so we not falling. Left boy body rub up in a chop, palling. People run up, start hauling. So me smoke the weed, I had that.
People, if you don't watch a full freestyle, link down below in the comment in the description. You see me, I say, one official HD on Instagram, make go check him out. You see me, if you go for film page, I find the whole of them. You see me, I say, that's like my name, SL, yo, Crux. Yo, let's go pre people. You see me, I say, I'm gonna support the thing. Instagram, on them YouTube, HD and Image TV. Yeah, that's the video there. Link in the description. You check it. My God.